Well, there it is, the finished product. It's awesome. Train whistle with bellows, made out of PVC and some vinyl. I was going to use goat skin for the bellows, but I used this vinyl stuff, kind of like naga hide. This is actually a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. The PVC part was pretty easy, but inside the bellows there are springs and things to keep the springs in place, and you have to make a air inlet here. Anyway, tons and tons of fun. Really liked my first time ever making bellows. Here goes. My grandkids are gonna love this.